This is in south central Los Angeles, the vicinity of 84th and Vermont. Once again.
Hello one and all, welcome to Seen Through Glass and welcome back to LA. Unfortunately, this is not Vlog Angeles Part 2. I'm literally here for a couple of meetings. So, I messaged my friend Nick at the KarPage and begged him for the keys to his Lamborghini Huracan Spyder. I said, I got no way of getting around. Can I borrow your car? And unbelievably, he agreed. So I've come back to my favourite spot on Sunset Boulevard, Mel's Drive-In Diner, for some pancakes and some breakfast to wait for Nick to turn up in the Huracan. I actually think Nick could be the nicest human being in the world. He has just left and left me with these keys to his Huracan Spyder. I feel like today is going to be a very, very good day. LA, I have missed you. Let me remember everything. Windows, ignition on, window down, gangster wrap off. Don't know what that is. Fasten seatbelt. Let's put it into sport for the startup and. Yes! Oh yeah, even though it's a little bit cloudy today in LA, the roof is definitely going down. Considering the fact that I'm now sat in the KarPage Huracan Spyder. Oh, thank you, Nick. How good these things sound. It is a miserably grey and cloudy day in LA, but I just don't care. Such a cool car, especially out here, my God. Paul Wallace, you need one of these in your life immediately. Three, two, one. We have to resort to Starbucks.